Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today I have something cute, something new for you. Okay, all you just need to do here is to buy from a Binance at a low rate and still sell at the same Binance at a very high rate. Okay, all you just need to do, make sure you have a capital for these very businesses, and let's dive in. And also don't forget, you must have a verified Binance account and navigate yourself to peer-to-peer transactions. Okay, we are currently here at peer-to-peer transactions. Now you watch. Okay, what I want us to run transaction on today is on BTC. We're going to buy right away and we are going to sell right away. If you have seen this video at this very time or at this very hour, you have seen this video, all you just need to do, take a chance. Okay, just take a chance. So before I go into that, I would like to beg you to subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. Like my videos and as well share my videos so that a lot of people will benefit from this. Okay, so now let's quickly go into it. All you just need to do, get your phone, make sure you have a network connection, and as well make sure you have a verified Binance account. Okay, navigate yourself to a Binance account, open it, and take yourself to peer-to-peer transactions. If you don't know how to do that, I will show you. This is my Binance interface. This is my Binance app. So come to this very interface and click on peer-to-peer transactions. It will navigate you to this very place. Okay, now we are here. Click on this box and click on confirm. The current dollar rate now is 1045 naira NGN. That is Nigerian currency. Okay, so but what I want us to focus on here today is on BTC. Don't forget, you can as well buy BTC at on peer-to-peer transactions. Okay, all you just need to do, you go to this place, you can see this USDT here, you can see an arrow pointing down. Click on the arrow, then you make a choice of your coin here that you want to run on peer-to-peer transactions. Okay, so my interest here now is BTC. I'll click on BTC. You can see the rate of the BTC. You can buy from any merchant here. Okay, you can buy from any merchant here. Buy from any merchant here and keep making your profits. Okay, you can see this person is selling this Bitcoin at 28,376,566 naira Nigerian currency. Okay, and his limit is from 100,000 naira to 490k. You can see how this really works. Okay, buy now and just sell. There's no big deal. Okay, you can see this person here. This person is selling this BTC at 28,396,000. The difference is just like 10 naira or 20 naira here, and his limit here is from 30,000 naira to 79,000 naira. Just buy and sell. That is simply all that you need to do. Okay, I will show you something. Watch. Okay, all you just need to do here, maybe you want to buy from this person, click on buy. If you click on buy, it will bring you to this very interface. The next thing that you just need to do is to put your volume. This person limit is 100,000, so you must buy 100,000. So this 100,000 naira that you want to buy now, the quantity is 0.0035 for 100,000 naira. Okay, write it down, 0.0035. Click on buy. It will bring you the interface. Copy the person's phone number, contact, and the others. Copy the person account number, make a deposit to the person, and then your cryptocurrency will be released to you ASAP. Okay, okay, now you go back to the same interface. Now all you just need to do now is click on sell. If you click on sell, still choose what you are selling. What you have secured is BTC and what you are selling is BTC. Don't forget. Now you check. Buy at 28,000. Sell at 31. Buy at 28 million. Sell at 31 million. Can't you see? The profit is fucking high. The profit is fucking high. Okay, so what we have back then, I think it's 0.00 something, right? Choose this person now. This person limit is 1.5 million. This person is 2 million. This person is 2 million as well. This person is 1.5 million as well. Okay, all you just need to do now, you click on this funnel sign to kind of filter what you have to solve. I have 100k to solve. I'll click on filter. It's done. I'll click on OK. So this 100k that you have to sell, is it will sell it for you at the same rate, I think. So all you just need to do is that make sure you have a lot of fund, right? So you can only profit from this place when you have a lot of funds. You can see, right? All you just need to do here, buy as much as you can and make profit as much as you can. Okay, so you have seen it. All you just need to do, buy at this rate and sell at this rate. Okay, but one thing you must know is that you must have a high fund. You must have a very big capital for you to run this. I didn't mean you buy like 1.5 million now. You know how much you're going to make? The difference is very big. 28 million to 31 million. Or if you buy one currency now at 28 million and sell it at 31 million, do you know what the profit is? So if you're seeing this now, all you just need to do, dive into the market now and boom, start making profits. Okay, so thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for sticking with me to the end of this video. All you just need to do, watch this video bit by bit from the beginning to the end. Okay, if you don't have a Binance account, I will drop you a link at the descriptive section of this very video and also at the message section of this very video, so that you can sign up and start earning big money. Okay, and don't forget, before I go, if you have any question, please do not forget, drop it at the comment section and I will get to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much for being with me. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.